What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your iPhone settings. Here, tap on your Apple ID name and ensure yourself that you're logged in with the correct Apple ID account. Next, tap on your iPhone or iPad in this device list below. You can proceed to enable your iCloud backup here. In addition, you have the option to back up your device now. This will enable you to restore your iPhone or other iOS device from your current restore point. To make sure that all of your important data and files are being backed up, navigate back to your Apple ID settings and select iCloud. Here, you can enable or disable applications, photos, contacts, and other files from being backed up in your iCloud, but make sure that you have enough available storage left. To reduce your storage requirements for a backup, tap on Manage Storage. Here, you can prevent old iMessage conversations, iMovie projects, and other files from being backed up. You can, in addition, delete old backups from your device in the Backups folder. When all of this is done, you will have the option to back up your device when resetting your device. To do so, head back to your main settings and tap on General. Next, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings. You will be presented with a list of files and data you can erase on your device. After resetting your device, or when turning on a new iOS device, you will have the option to log back into your Apple ID account and proceed to restore your iPhone from the iCloud backup we just created. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.